So now the task is to take these beams here, lay down some felt, and make this the crawler area. In future, I might make a rally course back here. But I think for now, this is a good start. Let's get back to it. Alright, so turns out I have next to no fabric. So I've noticed that there is some already down here. I just have to determine where. And then I'll put this down and lay my beams, and we'll call that the area. That'll work. Yeah. That's what we're working with. Felt paper. And I found some old shingles that I won't be using to base this part. And this part already has. So we're good. I just gotta finish placing those beams and start putting my rocks back in. There we go. Hard part's all done. The area I want to use is all mapped out. Just got to decide what bridges I want to put where, what rocks I want to put where I want to put maybe a little mud pit or something. I know I want to put a bridge from this tree to this tree, maybe to this stump, and like a corkscrew bridge somewhere in here. I want to utilize as much space as possible. So please leave some comments down below of some ideas you might have, and hopefully I can incorporate some of them. But I've still got all these rocks over here I got to move in there. Some cinder blocks. I've got these garden barriers here. I want to make some type of little rally track eventually over here, and make it just one RC playground for myself. All in my backyard. Be perfect. Have a great day.